Fire! We have a fire in the camper van!
Everyone, stand back. Do not panic. We must follow the protocol. The mission is a 3-day camping trip. Let's load the equipment.
I have the food supplies and the water containers here.
I am organizing the emergency gear in the main compartment. I have the navigation tools, the map, and the compass.
Max, you are part of the team. Bring the rescue harness. Good work. Everything is secured. Let's move. We have arrived at the location. We must set up the base camp.
I am organizing the supplies efficiently. I am checking the perimeter. There is no cell signal here.
I will prepare the emergency gear. Safety is our priority. Wait. Do you smell that?
It smells like smoke. It is coming from the van's kitchen.
Fire! We have a fire in the camper van!
Everyone, stand back. Do not panic. We must follow the protocol.
I have the fire extinguisher. Here it is.
Good. Stay calm. I am neutralizing the fire now. The circuit is disconnected. The fire is out.
We are safe. That was a serious risk. We need to inspect the damage thoroughly.
Correct. We must be prepared for these emergencies.
Where is my brother? He was with us a moment ago. I don't see him. He went to find a signal.
This is a crisis. We must start a search pattern now.
I am here! I lost the trail!
Max, go! Follow his scent. Search! Let's move to that location. Maintain the group together.
I followed the trail, but I couldn't find the way back.
That is dangerous. You must stay on the marked path.
The rescue team is organized. Let's return to base camp. Before we depart, we must inspect the area. Correct. We do not leave any trash or materials here.
I have the waste bags. We must protect the environment.
Everything is clean. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. This day was very difficult.
Yes, but we followed the safety protocols.
We managed the fire and the search correctly. We are a strong team.
Let's go back home. Safety is the key to every trip.